Hey guys, I'm Ryan and I'm back. And today I'm going to be showing you my top 5 favorite Nerf guns. Number 1 is a Super Mega. Shoots up to 100 feet, very powerful. One of my favorite guns. I'd recommend it for you. Second would be the Rampage. Nice gun. It has long range, close distance. It's pretty powerful too. Shoots up to 75 feet. Nice gun. Fixes jams right here if you get a jam. And third, this is a disc shooter. This is the Revenix 360 Vortex. It holds up to, I think, 35 bullets. Jams right here. You just pull that button and it lets out the bullet. It's a really nice gun. I would recommend it also. And fourth, the Retaliator. It's a nice gun, got long range distance. Comes with a 12 dart clip. All these guns I'm choosing have good accuracy, got long range, and they're powerful. And just get the clip out right there. You can take parts of these things off. You can fix jams also with this gun. And final but not least, the Mega Cyclone Shock. Very powerful. It hurts. Goes up to 75 feet. It's called the Cyclone Shock. You pump it back and it shoots it. It has good accuracy, long range, and it does very, very hurt. I think it even hurts more than the Super Mega gun. Yeah, so those are the guns I like. And I'd recommend it for you. So, till next time, see ya. Subscribe.